Hi and welcome to another episode of The Essence of Clarity. My name is Sabina Straver. I'm a professional organizer. Now I'm doing currently a series that I'm working through a really challenging room that will need to serve multiple purposes. So a library, a office space and an art room. Done a little bit of work before in the last couple of sessions. And now we're actually going to focus on the library aspect of this room. I'm quite excited about doing this. The last two sessions have been quite intense. It was also really hot, so it was really hard to kind of work and keep working. Today it's a little bit cooler, I've got lots of energy, but I'm going to do a big section of the room in that I'm going to move some furniture around. So the focus really today is books and starting to get the bookshelves and the books in this room in their specific zones that we can then start to dress it up and make it really feel like a library as soon as you walk in. I hope you enjoy this one. Please come and join me as I'm shuffling furniture around and starting to create an organized bookshelf. So we've just seen how the bookshelves have been basically transformed and put together. So I ended up with two bookshelves, one for all the kids' books and one for the more adult showpieces books. It really, as soon as you come into this room, you see a wall full of books, and on the one hand that's not, I guess, super minimalistic and super organized, what I would probably have. Like, I don't keep a lot of my books, but it really shows when you come in that this is a library. The kids love it. As soon as I set this up, they started to read a lot of the books, and the adult books, they actually look beautiful. So you see beautiful books from scenery and books that you haven't read completely or you wanted to refer again. So it has a lovely feel to it. I grouped books together. I made it look a little bit playful for the kids and more I guess strategic for the grown-up books, and worked with a variety of techniques, so stacking as well as aligning books, just to keep it a bit playful and nice in this room. I hope you got a lot out of it, and let me know how you go by organizing your bookshelf.